们吃到不一样的东西。
那其实心恬呢也是非常喜欢做菜，常看你的 Facebook 上都 po 很多，就是自己在家下厨的照片，每一次看到都有流口水的感觉。那你要不要跟大家分享一下你的拿手菜是什么？
我其实一般也是比较常用到红烧的东西，然后或是一些京酱肉丝啊，然后客家小炒这些的。对，可是因为我的阶段一直是停留在慢火熬煮，然后我需要一整个下午都一直顾在火炉前面，然后看我东西的近况，我还没有使用到快锅的阶段，所以我今天就是特地来学习，而且来挑选我喜欢的快锅。
真的，而且呢，你刚刚说一整个下午，你平常这么忙，有时候根本没有时间可以做菜啊。所以如果说像有压力锅，或是我们一些其他的锅具，它可以让我们烹煮的时间就是可以减少很多嘛，对不对？所以其实以后我相信，就是你在家里做菜的时间就可以减少非常多。
而且就不一定是繁忙的时候就一定要出去外面吃，其实自己在家里面，像刚刚那些很健康的蔬菜啊，然后跟一些调味，全部都丢进去之后，晚一点就可以吃了。
真的，所以真的是非常轻松、简单又容易。好，那我们的这个第2道菜呢，有没有非常期待？我们待会儿呢是来自奥地利的主厨Stefan， 那么他呢年纪轻轻，但是呢他在我们的料理界已经有超过15年以上的经验了。那么今天呢，他特地来到台湾，要跟我们大家分享创意的年菜。那当然呢，希望他也可以带给我们中西合璧的一些料理哦。那现在就让我们大家一起来欢迎我们的 chef。Let's welcome Stefan. Welcome. Would you like to say hi to everybody?
Of course. First of all, hello to everybody. Just to introduce myself, my name is Chef Stefan. I'm from Austria, originated, and I live in Singapore about 7 years now. So I'm very honored to be here between two pretty girls. So that sounds quite good for me.
Stefan 呢，首先呢要跟大家问好。那其实他是来自于奥地利的。那其实他在新加坡呢也已经有7年的时间了，那么也是担任料理，而且呢，他现在呢在新加坡呢自己有开一家 cooking studio， 所以我想呢，他对我们中西合璧的这个创意年菜一定是非常的有研究。那接下来就要来问问 Stefan， 他今天要为我们大家带来什么样的创意年菜 ？So Stefan, can you share with us what are you going to teach us today?
As the whole thing is about Chinese New Year, the main thing is I want to cook, and it's most likely always the main highlight for Chinese New Year is fish. So the thing is, what I will cook is a garoupa, and I will steam the garoupa, but I will infuse the steam as well. So I will steam and infuse my fish fry.
所以呢，今天呢 ，Stefan 也是有 study 过我们台湾人的年菜，一定会有鱼嘛，鱼代表年年有余。所以呢，今天呢 ，Stefan 要教我们大家做的呢，就是清蒸石斑，而且呢是用非常特别的做法。等一下呢，就要一一的来跟大家做介绍。So Stefan, before we start, could you briefly tell us or share with us how to use the Silit e-compact?
Sure. The main thing is, when it comes to me, the e-compact is one of my favorite ones. It's very simple because it's very versatile. I like to be very versatile nowadays. So the thing is, if you see the e-compact, and there's a lot of different layers.
Wow, so you have 4 layers.
The whole thing is there's 4 layers. There's the big one, then you have 2 baskets. The cover is with proper silicone, so it can be heated very strong without problem. And one of the biggest features to me is I have a thermometer. Very important to me, and especially if I cook something like fish. If I can precisely cook fish by low temperature, like about 60, 70 degrees, I can keep as much nutritious value as possible. So I love that feature of this one.
OK， 所以 Stefan 呢跟我们大家分享他喜爱的 Silit e-compact 多功能健康锅呢，大家可以看到它总共有3重不同种的设计，而且其实呢，大家如果待会呢可以靠过来仔细一点看，它其实呢在上面的这一层它有很多不同的隔板，也就是呢让大家呢就可以一次就可以煮很多不同的菜。And also Stefan, you mentioned that we can also roast, even put it into the oven, right?
That's when it comes to be very versatile. The thing is, of course, everybody is very simple to understand. If I have a steaming basket, and I cover the steaming basket inside there. I put a little bit of water, we cover the whole thing, we can generate steam, so we steam with e-compact. But the other thing I can is just, it's a really big roasting pan. So of course I can roast inside quite a big piece of meat, I can do my chicken, I can take the whole thing in the oven and I will roast. The thing is, if instead of using water I could put some wood inside, I actually can smoke my fish. So I like to make my own smoked salmon, for example. In the end of the day, we're talking about roasting, steaming, frying, oven baking, smoking, so it's very, very versatile.
所以呢 ，Stephen 刚刚也说到，多功能健康锅呢可以蒸、煮，然后另外还可以拿来炒，甚至我们可以将它放到烤炉里面。然后另外呢，我们还可以来做一些烟熏的产品，就可以呢都是使用这个健康锅。那刚刚呢，他还有提到在这个外观上面呢，使用的是Silit，就是希拉膏，以及呢上面有一个温度计，有让呢不是很会做菜的我呢，或是心恬已经很会做菜了啦，但是就是
依据
对，就可以根据我们就是一些数